Hello people, my name is Ferdy and in this video I will show you step by step how you can get started with AI art. You can generate web designs, but also portraits of yourself, or just create random images based on a few keywords you fill in. I will show you step by step how you can get up and running within 2 minutes for free. So let's get started. So in order to start with Midjourney, we need to have a Discord account. So the first thing I will do, I will go to ferdycorp.com/Discord, hit enter. And then I want to click on login. And I'm totally new, so I click on register. I fill in my email, I create a username, I create a password and my birthday. I agree with all the terms and I click on continue. And I will start my verification. I go to my mail account and I verify my email and I continue to Discord. That's it. I close this. Now I go to ferdycorp.com/Midjourney, hit enter, and then I click on join the beta and I accept the invite. Okay, I dismiss this message and what I need to do now, look at this. There are so many people online, so I need to find a room here at the left. For instance, let's see. You know what? Let's use the newbie one. And a lot of people are working here in the same room. So what I need to do now, I need to say /imagine, here it is. And now I can fill in a few words. So I can say bunnies, space, orange, teeth, mountains, photo, realistic. And then the aspect ratio. And now I say enter. Before I send it, I need to accept the terms of service. It's accepted. Now I get some instructions over here. Amazing. And I can try again. So /imagine. There I go. Bunnies, orange, teeth, mountains, photo, realistic. So I hit enter. Now you need to scroll, and depending on how busy people are, I thought it was this one, but it's not. If I scroll down, I saw it somewhere and then it disappeared. Here it is. Wow. I can open the original image. Those teeth. Okay, let me save this. This has nothing to do with creating a design for your website, but I just wanted to see what could happen. You can also get inspired by others. Look at this. This is created based on those words and probably also based on this image. So you can also use that, use an image and then say what should happen to that image and you get these results. So what I want to do, /imagine, and then I say web design, website, shoes, web shop. V4, just doing what others are doing. Hitting enter. Now it will be created. Look at this. Look at this. How fast. There you go. It's crazy. It's crazy what you can do with this. So what else? Imagine modern website, landing page, book finances, 3x2. And there it is. Look at this. Well, it has not much to do with a website. It's a book. Finances, eliminations. Wow, they're just getting inspiration from all those images on the internet and then mixing it. They're doing a pretty amazing job. Of course, I cannot use this, but I can get inspired. So I can get inspired by the designs that the AI is creating. So let's do another one. /imagine, then lion, roaring, website, mockup, V4, AR 3x2. Wow. Wow. Look at that lion roaring. Maybe I should just do it without web design, use as a wallpaper. You can also upload your own images and based on that image, create something cool. So what I will do, I will click on the plus, upload a file. I upload this one. I send it. Then I grab that file, copy the image address. Now /imagine. Then I paste the image. Then I want to say futuristic, ultra realistic, cyberpunk, and I end with version 4. Hit enter, and now it's waiting to start. And I'm really looking forward to the result. And there it is. Cyberpunk. Yeah, that's what you can do. Wow, there is so much more you can do. Now I can do the same thing. So /imagine, place the link. And now I say cartoon. And I can also get inspired by other images. 8K or cinematic lights. Nice combination, cartoon and cinematic lights. Let's see. And there they are. Okay. Okay, one more. I saw something, I want to do something similar. Imagine, then the link again. Okay, now I want to copy everything I just saw over here. Let's see. Everything. So I just paste it here, hit enter, and let's see what happens. There it is. Wow, it's getting better and better. 8K. Is it really 8K? It's not 8K. Okay, let's stick to web design things. But okay, you got your feet wet in digital art, and you can just scroll around, and if you see something you like, I think this is interesting, you can upload multiple images, place them over here, say that you want to have this style, and you can create something cool like this. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this was helpful for you, and now you're in the world of generating AI art. Good luck with it. Be creative, play around with it, take a look at what others do, and then play around with that. And then I hope you will find some great art images for yourself or for others if you want to share them. Why not? Okay, that was weird. Feel free to subscribe only if you're into WordPress web design. Otherwise, you'll see a lot of videos you're not going to like, because this YouTube channel is all about helping people to make a website and help people to make websites that make money for them through becoming an agency, through monetizing your website with advertisements or with affiliate links. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye. So what do you think about AI?